Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to do a walkthrough of a taxi application built by Hexalitics Technology. So let's dive in. So now we have both the Android application on the screen. On the left, you can see the driver application, and on the right, you can see the customer application. Let's talk more about the driver application. So currently the driver status is online, which means the driver is in active mode. There is driver details shown on the bottom banner view, and you can change the details from here. The profile image of the driver is being shown, as well as the vehicle number and the vehicle type is being shown on the bottom banner. The car icon on the map shows the driver current location on both the application, and the blue marker on the customer application denotes the customer's current location. Currently driver and customer are on the same location, that's why it's shown at a single place. As soon as the customer taps on the destination address button, a screen opens where the pickup location of the customer is pre-filled and customer enters the destination address. Here the customer selects the destination address and a loader screen opens where the app fetches all the nearby driver which are active. So here you can see that all the taxis that are available and all the vehicle types that are available are shown along with their pricing with payment method that you can change. You can also see the details of vehicle and fare. You can select or change the payment methods. Currently, we will be selecting cash. Here, the customer app is sending the request to the driver. As soon as driver gets the request, he gets option to accept within 1 minute, timer, or cancel the ride. The pickup and drop off address of the customer is shown on this screen. As soon as the driver accepts the ride, customer screen get updated with the driver information and OTP to start the ride. And the driver app screen get updated with the customer's current location. So now when driver swipe to confirm that he has arrived, customer will be notified with an alert that your driver has arrived. So now driver begins the ride and enters the OTP given by customer to start the ride. Customer is notified by an alert that your trip starts now. Both the maps get updated with the destination address as the current location of driver and customer is same. Once the driver reaches the drop off location, he can swipe and end the trip. Once the trip is ended, both driver and customer can share feedback with each other. And then driver can confirm the payment. Again, customer can pay with any payment method that is configured within the application. Once the payment is successful, both get notified and both reaches the dashboard. Customer can see the past rides from the side menu option. Customer can also select, change, update his payment methods. Customer can update his profile from the side menu option. So yeah, this is the full ride life cycle of taxi application. I have added tech stack and live links of the application in the description. For more details, visit hexalitics.com. Thank you for watching the video.